This project is Auto Street Light Controller. Basically, in order to monitor and control street lighting, the automatic street light on and off controller was designed and implemented. Let me tell you the components present here. This is the LDR, light dependent register, and this is single relay circuit. This is 12 volt power supply. This is ADC. This is microcontroller. The LCD, and finally the bulb. Let me now explain you the process. The property of LDR is to change its resistance according to the light intensity falling upon it. The voltage across the fixed register, this is the fixed registers, changes due to the change of LDR resistance according to the light intensity available. The output of voltage is given to the ADC through the probes. You can see here it is given to the ADC. The ADC samples the voltage and produces the digital output according to it. The output is given to the microcontroller, which converts into ASCII values so that it can be displayed on the LCD. Finally, this data is sent to the LCD where we can see the varying according to the available light. Let me now show you the demonstration. Due to the change in the resistance, the light intensity also changes. The change in light intensity is being displayed on the LCD, where you can see here the value of the intensity is changing, that is displayed on the LCD. When it is complete darkness, automatically the bulb ons and the intensity value is being displayed on the LCD. You can see if it is complete dark, the bulb automatically ons. See, now I'll show you clearly. Since I am covering the LDR, the light intensity is very low and hence the bulb is on. That is simultaneously shown on the LCD. And this is how this works. Let me now tell you the applications of this light intensity measurement, auto lighting in building and street applications, greenhouse structures, etc. Thank you.